In this lesson, we're going to install WooCommerce. WooCommerce is a plugin that adds the ability for you to sell products online. So it's very simple and it's also free. As you can see, a lot of stores have been built with it, and you can be able to use that same thing, including with the Dokan, as you're going to see in the upcoming lesson. So let's go to the back end now. When you go to your plugin dashboard, you have the options here to click on to search. When you click on search, if you've installed it, then it's going to show. But if you don't have it here, then you want to click to add new. When you add new, you see a list of different plugins that you can be able to install. It's like a list of so many different plugins you can add to your WordPress site. So what you want to do is you want to search for WooCommerce. When you do that, you notice that you see the WooCommerce here. You can click to get more details or just click to install now. And then once you've successfully installed it, just click to activate. And then you have two options here. You can go to yes, please. It's just asking you to get your store up and running quickly. You can click on no, not right now. So let's just click on yes, please. And then from here, this is where you can put your store address. Store address. If you have a line, you can choose your country. You can choose your city. And then you can choose your zip code. Now, based on where you live, of course, in the States, we have zip code or postcode. It may be different from where you are, but it's the same thing here. So you can set up a store for a client or you set up for yourself. So let's just leave it at you send a store for yourself and just click on continue. And then you get this pop-up. It's pretty much up to you if you want to get your information here for tracking. So I can just click yes, count me in, and then continue. And it's going to ask you here what type of products that you want to sell. So if you want to go subscription, membership, bookings, bundles, it shows you the pricing here for it. So I'm just going to click download and click on continue. And how many products do you plan to display? You know, this can always change later on. You can say I don't have any yet, or we'll just put 1 to 10 for now. Do you currently sell anywhere else? You can choose whatever you want here. So I'm going to set this no. And it's going to ask you here, Great Business Facebook. So all this is just stuff that I can just disable this for now. You can enable them later on. Just click on continue. And then you can choose the theme. These are all the free themes that they have. All themes, you can choose the free ones here. Or if you want something that's paid and premium, you can be able to choose that here as well. So just continue with my active theme. And you finally get this message. I'm going to click on no thanks. And then once you've done that, you get this message, a quick tour. You can just kind of go through it. I'm just going to click the X here. So now you've successfully installed the WooCommerce plugin. It shows you can add products. You can set up payments, tax, shipping. You can personalize your store. And you have your orders. You can check your orders here. Your customers, your coupons. Maybe you run a certain special. You can do that here. You can check your reports. You can check your settings. Check your status, and you can check extensions and ways for you to be able to enhance your store and do a little bit more. So we're going to cover this a little bit later on again, but I wanted to just show you how to get the WooCommerce set up and give you some of the basics of how it works.